In this video we're going to talk about how to save your videos and your still photos on your Sony a7R. You've got two memory card slots and I'm going to show you the options, and I'm going to give you three different scenarios. So scenario number one is where you fill memory card number one with whatever you're filming, either video or photos. When that's full, the camera automatically switches to memory card 2 and starts writing to that. Second scenario is where you want to have a backup of everything. So I must admit, in my time I've had very few failures of cards, but I have occasionally. And what I do for still photos anyway is simultaneously record to both cards at the same time. And you can also do that for video as well. So that's scenario number two, where you record on both cards at the same time, so you've always got a backup of whatever you've taken. The third option is a hybrid of the two, which is what I use. For still photos, I simultaneously record to both cards. However, for video, I only record on slot 1, and when that's full, I get it to automatically switch to slot 2. The reason I do that is for stills, it's usually more critical for me to have a backup of those still photos, so if I do have a problem with a card, I've always got a backup. The second thing is with video, because the file sizes are so much larger, that I really prefer to use one card and then write onto the second in case I've run out of space and haven't realized it, and I want the camera definitely to switch over to that second card. Right, let me show you what you need to do. First of all, we go into menu and you go to this shooting menu and you choose the second option, which is media, and then you scroll across to record media settings, which is the second option on that menu. Go into that and then you've got a choice. So the first one we get to is slot 1, and this is for stills. You see a little picture of a camera. So if you set on that, and you can choose now slot 1, slot 2 or simultaneous. So if we want to record to both cards simultaneously, we choose obviously simultaneously. So the second option down is for video, and on that you can then choose either slot 1, slot 2 or simultaneous. So I'm going to choose simultaneous. So now we're backing up everything. Whatever we're recording, stills or videos, we're getting both. Right, let's go back now, and this time let's choose slot 1 for our stills. Now the important thing is, so all our stills are going to be recorded on slot 1, and what we want to make sure in this case, we want to overflow onto the second card, so we make sure that auto switch media is switched on, and in this way, as soon as it's filled the first card, it'll move on and start to fill the second one. Now on the video, you can choose the same thing. So maybe we want to record that straight to slot 1, and if we have auto switch media switched on, once the video file has finished recording to slot 1, it will go straight on to slot 2. So that's how you would do recording, where you're filling one card and then going on to the next one. Right, the hybrid situation that I use, so we'll go into that. So for slot 1, I want to record stills. I also want them to be recorded simultaneously, so I want them to go on to slot 2. So that's what I do with the stills option. Now for recording media for video, I also want that to go on to slot 1, but I don't want simultaneous in this case. I just want it to go on to slot 1. So I select that, and because I've got auto switch media switched on, when I've filled the first card, it'll automatically switch to the second. So that's my hybrid situation covered. So those are the options for writing to your cards. Choose the one that suits you. If you're looking for something else to watch, one of the great functions of the Sony a7R is its ability to focus bracket, and I'll leave a link to a video up here, and you can take a look at that. In the meantime, go have some fun with your camera, and I'll catch you in the next video.